Today we're going to be looking at this Magnon film projector. When it goes into forward, there's a real smell comes from the unit, like a burning kind of smell. Generally, the channel's focused on fixing electronic items, but as I was repairing this anyway, I figured I'd record it, as I'm sure someone will be interested in what's inside these things. Okay, so this doesn't look like factory, given the amount of hot glue that's on it. So we've got the transformer, what looks like a motor, a fan here, which I assume is used for cooling, and I can see quite a bit of grease here. Let's just zoom in a little bit so it's easier for you to see. So yeah, these look like they've been greased up and perhaps are not working. Looks like a little worm drive there, a couple of chains. Okay, let's get these springs removed. Let's just loosen that off. Let's see if we can get this circlip off. Okay. So I think we just probably need to give this a good clean. Oh, wait a minute, what's that? Yeah, I think it's just all the grease on it that's causing it some issues. Okay, that's that one off. So take this, will this come off? There we go, it's stuck to there. I bet that's what it was. Well, look, yeah, that's loads of grease on there. That's just caked up there. I think that's what's the cause of this is. The chain was actually stuck to this side of it. So we need to degrease this, and we need to get all the bits in here degreased. But I think that's probably going to be it. I'll get some degreaser, put it on here, put these bits into it and get it cleaned up, and then we can re-grease them. Again, we'll clear up all this old stuff and then give it a try. And yeah, I'm glad I wore my gloves. There's 4 screws here, so I think if we take this off and take this belt off, if it comes off, the whole thing should just come out. So let's try that. Let's get this chain off. Yeah, that's really caked in old grease and stuff. So you can see. Let's try to clean this up a bit. Okay, so we've done the degreasing of these and they're ready to refit. Let's, I think this one goes on here. We'll put the chain back on again. let's put this back on. So I think what we'll do is we'll put this in, secure it with the 4 screws, which are here. We need to put this on. So we'll put these 2 screws back in here. Okay, we need to put this circlip on here. Okay, that's that. All we've got left to do is put these 2 on. So I need to make sure it goes round there and round here twice. Actually, it might be worth degreasing this bit as well. So that could do with a bit of tension. Okay, so that's those 2. And we'll put this back on. Okay, so slight mistake. This doesn't go on there. That is just sits like that. And this goes on there. And then this goes round. Out of the way. That goes round there. And then round there. The long chain, so this goes round here, round this one once, but this one, so that one goes onto the lower one, and then this one goes onto the upper one, and there we go. I think that should be it now. Don't copy what you see in these videos. It's not safe to run this without the cover on. There we are. Chain going, this going, and the one at the top going. And as you can see, this is going. I think that's right. So when we go in reverse, this one should turn. Okay, that looks good. Wonder why they made it that shape. And there we are. Right, and here we are. Now, the one thing I've noticed about this reel here is that it doesn't seem to be the right size. So it seems to be too thin. So the tape gets kind of caught up in there for some reason. I'm not sure why. That was the one it came with. But there we go. Okay, so let's try and get it going. I think we'll call that one a fix. Quite nice and simple. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.